Hi Kasta Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will show you when I took 3 trades on NASDAQ. Remember when I said that I'm gonna do the challenge, taking $100 to 1,000, etc. And today, took 3 trades. Take profit 1 got hit. I got 2 positions left that I'm waiting for to see if the market is reaching these levels. But I'll show you and walk you through when I took the trades. So continue to looking at this and you'll see when I took the trade. It looks when I'm taking my trades. Before I did record, I already took 2 trades, but it was at the same time when I took the 3rd trade. So I took 3 positions on NASDAQ on Prime XBT. So I'm trading a $100 account to a $1,000 account, and I do have it within 90 days, of course. But if I getting done before that, of course, I think that's gonna happen. But I want to have that as a goal. But you can see that I'm just adding the take profits here. I'm using my Fibonacci as take profit 1, 2, 3 after I took my entry from a Fibonacci level, and I'm just gonna fast forward everything that I am doing right here on the chart so you can clearly see that I'm taking these trades on this live account. That you see that at the time I had $102 on the account. Take profit 1 had already got hit, so at the moment I am at $112 after the first take profit got hit. So that is actually really good. I have two take profits that needs to get hit one more time, and the market is right now at this moment playing around the first take profit 1 on the Fibonacci level that you can see is minus 23. And usually what the market is doing around these Fibonacci levels is that the market is pushing to take profit 1. The market reverses down a little bit in this case because I went long in the market. Market pulls down, and then the market is hopefully continuing to the higher targets. I have been moving my stop loss above entry because the market did come to take profit 1, and every time the market comes to take profit 1, I am always moving my stop loss to entry for risk-free trades. And so I've already been in profit from take profit 2, which is really good. I actually want to fast forward. You can see that it's a pretty long video. It's 5 minutes left even if I'm just fast forward it, but you can see here that the market did go through from my entry that I did have a little bit further down, and we almost took take profit one time. Market did reverse a little bit, and then you can see it was just going sideways for a while. You can see that the market was pretty far away from the entry, and this is where the market also took take profit 1. Okay, so this is actually really good. I'm gonna fast forward it one more time. Yes, as you can see, the market is just playing around at this level at the moment, and this is what it still does. I'm gonna go and analyze it a little bit for you right now so you can see what's happening. But this is how I took my 3 trades on. I got 2 positions on, and now I'm just waiting for the market to continue to my other levels if the market is not gonna continue up from here. But I'm just gonna wait a couple of hours. So this was the first trade that I did take. It's actually really good, so it's going to be fun to continue to take these trades and see how fast we can grow this $100 to 1,000, and from 1,000 to a 2K, and from 2K to 3K. It's really good to take step by step actually, and just have one small goal, because with that it's just going to be more fun to do it. So from 100 to a K, and we are not there right now, but I mean next week is going to be so much fun to continue to do this. Okay, looking at it at the moment when it comes to NASDAQ, one thing that we also can have in mind is that we are almost retesting Fibonacci at 10,980 and 10,052. This is Fibonacci levels where the market can reverse down from. So we're just gonna wait and see how the market's gonna behave around these levels, but I do have my take profit around it. So yeah, but it was actually a really good trade that I did take. The market went down a little bit before the market had the push. You can see clearly how the market did break 1,640 pips, and then you saw the market have this huge momentum up. And I did take the trade based on that. I saw that the market did break above a lower high level on the Fibonacci, so that was my decision for me to go in for 3 long positions. Really good New York session trade that I did take today. If you're looking for a platform to trade on, then you can of course use Prime XBT. You can right now receive a bonus up to $7,000 if you're using the link in the description down below my video, or you have a pin right here in the corner. This is a great platform for anyone that wants to trade both index pairs as I do. You can trade forex and cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrencies is what I usually go through during the week overall every time with you guys on the live streams and on my regular videos. But I do like to trade NASDAQ because it moves so much faster than what cryptocurrencies does during the New York session time, and this is the reason why I do it. So I just love that, and this is of course also how you are supporting the channel, so I'm always available for you. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will give you the updates on this account that I am growing together with you. So it's going to be so much fun to see how fast this will actually take. I'm not stressing at all because, you know, consistency is key, discipline is key, and structure is key. So I'm not doing this in a fast pace, but it's just really fun to do it in front of you guys, and you can actually see that it's actually working. And taking a small account to a bigger account makes sense because most of the people don't have super much money, and it's also good for me to take a small account to a bigger because this is also giving me the structure that I need and be very precisely writing down everything, why I'm taking the trades and etc. So really good for these 90 days to just structure up everything, and you know, the times when I do the mistakes, then I just go back and see so I don't do the mistakes again. So this is really good for all of us, right? Until we see each other next time, I love you guys. Have a great weekend. Mwah! Toodles!